This is day 19 in this challenge, and if you're interested in this type of content, I've created a playlist, so after this video you can start from the beginning and let it play. Are you tired of spending hours in the kitchen every week? Today I'm going to show you how to simplify your cooking routine with minimalist meal prep. Let's dive in. First up, planning. Spend a few minutes every weekend planning your meals for the week. Focus on simple, nutritious recipes that use minimal ingredients. This isn't just about saving time, it's also about reducing decision fatigue. Did you know that the average person makes over 200 food-related decisions each day? Cut that down by planning ahead. Next, let's talk about batch cooking. Pick one day a week to cook your meals in bulk. Make a big pot of soup, roast a tray of veggies, or cook a large batch of grains. Store them in the fridge or freezer in individual portions. This way, you can mix and match ingredients throughout the week, keeping your meals varied and interesting. Minimalist meal prep is all about simplicity. Stick to ingredients that are versatile and can be used in multiple dishes. Think of items like chicken, beans, rice, and leafy greens. These staples can easily be transformed into a variety of meals with different seasonings and sauces. You don't need a kitchen full of gadgets to eat well. Invest in a few high-quality tools that will last. A good chef's knife, a sturdy cutting board, and a couple of versatile pots and pans are all you really need. Simplifying your cooking routine can free up so much mental space and time. If you're finding these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more videos. I focus on providing valuable, practical, and interesting information that can improve your life. To recap, plan your meals, batch cook, simplify your ingredients, and use minimalist tools. What are your favorite minimalist meal prep tips? Let me know in the comments below. In the next video, I'll show you how to create a minimalist home office for increased productivity. And of course, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on new content. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.